Hey, it's summertime, and to me that means burgers on the grill. And I've got a long list of burger hacks that I know are going to make you a better hamburger griller, make you king of the cul-de-sac, impress your friends. Hell, you might even win some awards with it. Stick around. Hey, there's all kinds of different burger that you can pick up at the store. I always try to pick up some 80-20. That's going to be 80% lean, 20% fat. And today I picked up just some ground chuck. These are going to make some really nice hamburgers. If you want to get seasoning through the burger, I like to take it and just crumble it all up in a bowl. Because if you just season the outside of the burger, you're going to burn a lot of that off and you're going to lose a lot of that flavor during the cook. But by taking these burgers, kind of crumbling all this up, we're going to get our seasoning all through that burger. Using some Hotty Toddy Barbecue Crew, their Climax AP. This is some salt, pepper, garlic. Just start putting a little bit of that in there, kind of moving it around. Probably all together, maybe a tablespoon and a half, maybe 2 tablespoons. Give it a little mix around. And then I'm going to come back in with some of this Bovine Delight from my good friend Ronald Burns, Hotty Toddy Barbecue and Steak Crew. And we're going to do the same thing there. And all we're doing here is we're just kind of getting all of that flavor into the meat. And all I'm kind of doing here is just kind of tossing it around. I'm not compressing it or anything. We're just kind of fluffing it around in here with a little bit of seasoning. Okay. So we've got our seasoning in our burger. Now we're going to add some more moisture to it. I've got some Hellmann's Real mayonnaise, and for every pound of hamburger, we're going to add about a tablespoon of mayonnaise to it. I'm going to add that moisture in. I'm going to take that, just kind of mix it around a little. And I guarantee you it's going to make these burgers super juicy. Come back in, we're going to hit it with just a little bit more of that. I'm going to take it, just kind of mix it in real good. That's going to make these burgers super juicy. Okay. My next tip for grilling some amazing burgers, what I like to do is I kind of measure my burgers out as far as what I think they're going to be weight-wise, and I'll just kind of take them, and the way they kind of come out even, I'll take and kind of move them around like this. Then I can always come back and I can maybe get a little bit off each one. I want them all to be about the same size, so they're all going to cook, right around the same amount. And then finally, my last thing for burgers is, so you don't want to overhandle them. You don't want to over compress them, because that's going to make them kind of tight. It's going to change the texture of your burger. You see how easy that was? I just kind of put him just like that right there. Doesn't take a whole lot to get those burgers patted out the way you want them. Just like that. There's 2. That extra moisture kind of serves as a little bit of a binder too. Kind of makes them all kind of hold together a little bit nicer. There we go. Look at that. 4 beautiful burgers. Now, I'm going to come back in right here at the very end of it. We're going to add just a little bit more flavor to the top. Going to hit them with our seasoning right on top. Give those a little pat. Going to flip them. Just like that. Hit them again. Right back over the top. And those burgers are ready for the grill. How about that? Well, there we go, folks. There's my top 5 burger hacks, and I hope you put them all to use the next time you fire up your grill. Hey, do me a favor and let me know how I did in the comments below. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, click on the subscribe button below. All that does is help the channel to grow. Until next time, I'm Ronnie Ribeye. I'll see you around the grill.